Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about some bonus savings and possibly an extra 5 off $25 coupon. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, I just want to go ahead and remind everybody that I did upload several awesome videos this week, so if you missed out on any of those, make sure that you check out the pinned comment down below, because I will have them all linked for you right down there. Now, also, I did not upload a 5 off $25 scenario video yesterday, because I was really busy trying to get this last minute Christmas shopping done, so unfortunately, I didn't get that done in time. But if you guys go back and check out last week's 5 off $25 scenario video, there are a lot of those coupons that are still good for this week. Now also, if you guys go back and check out the video that I have pictured on your screen here, where I go over the one-day sale, the glitch list, and we do have a new glitch with overage. If you guys go back and check out that video, I also went over all of the best coupon matchups that we have going on right now at Dollar General. So if you need some more ideas for your 5 off $25 scenarios, or if you need some substitutions, that is the video for you. Alright, now while I have you all here, I do want to give you all a little heads up on what's going to be happening with my channel over the next few weeks. So, because the videos take so long to put together and edit and upload and all of those things, I will not be uploading as many videos as I normally do. Now, with that being said, I do still plan on covering Dollar General for you guys. So on Sunday, we're still going to go over the new coupons, because, hey, even if we plan on taking a break, we still need to open up our apps and clip those coupons to our accounts. That way, when we come back, we're going to have all of those coupons available to us, all right? So still plan on checking in with me on Sundays for the new coupons video. I will also be uploading the penny list video, and we're going to do some 5 off $25 scenarios as well. Now, next weekend is Christmas. Saturday is going to be Christmas Eve, and then right after that, the next weekend is going to be New Year's. So please let me know down in the comment section below if you all plan on going out on those 2 weekends and doing any couponing deals. So there's my little update for you all, what you guys can expect over the next 2 weeks. So be on the lookout for the new coupons video, the penny list, and the 5 off $25 scenarios. And of course, if we have any run glitches, run deals, anything like that, of course, you guys will be the first to know. All right, now let's go ahead and talk about this bonus savings. And I do want to caution everybody, I'm not sure if this is for everybody, if this is going to be on all accounts, or if it is just select accounts or select locations. I'm not quite sure what's going on with this, but I did want to go ahead and give you guys the information. That way you all can be on the lookout. So this morning, our amazing friend Debra Williams-Buss, she received an email from Dollar General talking about some bonus savings. So again, I'm not sure if this is all accounts or what's really going on, but I hope that Dollar General will stick with this and keep this around for a while. Now, I did not receive this same email on my account just yet. However, with that being said, as far as Dollar General goes with text notifications and email notifications, I am signed up for their mailing list and their text list and all that good stuff, but they tend to be a little bit late in the game on getting those out. So for instance, if we had a 3-day sale, I always receive that text message on the very last day that the sale is going on. So it's not very helpful. But anyways, you guys need to double check your emails. And if you're not already signed up for their email list, make sure that you go and do that one as well. All right, so anyways, back to this email. So it says, bonus savings, save tomorrow and save again Monday through Friday, all right? Now, in order to get these bonus savings, you have to go out today and do a 5 off $25 scenario, and then Dollar General is claiming that another 5 off $25 coupon will pop up on your account to use for next week. So here is exactly what it says. It says, use your 5 off $25 coupon in store tomorrow, which is today, on Saturday, December the 17th, and get a bonus coupon for you to use any day you choose from Monday to Friday, December the 19th through December the 23rd. After you redeem on Saturday, check your coupon gallery on Monday to access your bonus 5 off $25 coupon. And then there at the bottom, it does say this Saturday, December the 17th only. So again, I'm not sure if this is going to apply to all accounts. I'm probably going to try to run out and do a deal and see what happens, because I have not received this email yet. But you know what? I can definitely run out and do a quick deal and see what happens on Monday. Now, again, I can't say for 100% certainty that this is going to be for all accounts, and I can't say that Dollar General is going to keep this promotion going. I don't know if they're going to try to do this again next Saturday or not. I really hope that they do. I think this is a really, really great idea. It would get more people into the stores, plus we are getting more deals, all right? So I know I would definitely go in during the week if we had a 5 off $25 coupon to use. So hopefully they do keep this around and do this every Saturday for us. But again, it could just be a quick little promo for Christmas to try to get more people into the stores this week leading up to Christmas. But we'll just have to wait and see on that one. But either way, I wanted to go ahead and give you guys all this information. You guys make sure that you check your emails that are associated with your Dollar General accounts. And please come back and let me know down in the comment section below if you received this email. Now, if you guys are not already signed up for the Dollar General email and text notifications, all you have to do is visit the Dollar General website, and I believe it is all the way down at the bottom. There's a little sign up box there for you all, so just check that out if you haven't signed up already. All right, so there you have it for our new Dollar General bonus savings. Now, before you guys go, I also wanted to mention, I know that there are several of you Dollar General couponers who are kind of transitioning and trying to learn Walgreens couponing. So for this week's video, I tried to focus on beginner-friendly deals, easy deals, just really simple coupon matchups. And a lot of those coupon matchups do not expire until the end of December. So if you want to go and check out that video, it will be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. And of course, if you guys are looking for more deals to throw in with your 5 off $25 scenarios for today, make sure that you go back and check out that 1-day sale and glitch list video. Now, I will have all the videos that I uploaded this week linked for you in the pinned comment down below, but you guys make sure that you stick around, make sure that you have those notifications turned on because I will have the penny list and new coupons videos coming up next. And of course, I do want to give a big shout out and thank you to our amazing friend, Debra Williams-Buss. If you guys are not already subscribed to her YouTube channel, make sure that you go and check it out. I will have it linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now, but before you go, y'all know the drill. If you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so, and while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you on the next one.